Hi everyone, it's SVG Coop and we're back working on MA017 and we have 4 more pages to go, including the cover. So we are going to be working on this cute little page. So you're going to have a piece that looks like this. I don't know what page number on. I wish I could tell you. I just don't know. Okay, so you're going to take the pattern paper and we're going to cover both sides because it's going to be a tag in our little page here. As we get smaller, it makes it a little bit more difficult to add too much folding and all of that stuff because you want it to at least be big enough to hold a picture or something. So we're getting a little bit simpler as the pages progress, but still cute, so it's good. Okay, so there's that side, and I'm just going to turn this over and glue the other side down. Good little rub there, and I'm just going to put that aside. Okay, so then you're going to have your basic mat and you're going to have a pocket. So I'm just going to fold the pocket on the 3 score lines. Oops. Give it a rub. Okay, I'm going to put this right down along the bottom of my page, like that. And then I'm going to put the pattern paper on. Okay, and then our little pocket will fit in there like that. Alright, so let's get this added to our book. Okay. We're going to bring our book back out, and we are on the back of this page here. I'm just going to lay that on there, give it a good press. And there we go. 1 more page done. 3 to go. We'll be right back. Hi everyone, it's svgcoop.com and we are going to be working on our last couple of pages for our book. So I'm going to start with the last big page that we have. So you're going to have a base piece and we're just going to be gluing the pattern papers right on top. And just gonna get that on there like that. Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna get this glued down here. And this one's just gonna sit a little like that. Make sure I got enough room. Yeah. Move that down a little, I think. Okay. Okay, then you're going to have 2 flowers. I'm just going to glue the flower tops to the base. Just kind of wanted them to have a little base so they would stick out better. And I'm going to glue that in one corner. Like that. And then you're going to have a second flower. Okay. And I'm just going to put that one up there like that. And I'm going to take my little photo mat. And I'm just going to give my little page a roll here. Okay. Okay, then we'll do our next page, which is just a small little page. These are a little bit smaller than 3 by 3, so and I decided just to make them cute little pages rather than all the folds and such we did for the other pages. Then we're going to do our top, our cover. So I already put the spring title together because I used vinyl. So it's just 2 layers of, I put a gray and a white layer that I cut out. And then these are all just vinyl letters. So I'm just going to glue my little flower here. And I'm only going to glue the center because I want to fluff up the leaves on here. So I'm going to do the same with this. And I'll put the center dot. I'm not going to fluff up the leaves quite yet until it has a chance to really dry. I think, well, actually I could do it now. So you just want to pull these up a little and curl them a little, you know, just to give it some dimension. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, I think we're going to use tape on the bottom of this. just so it really sticks. Okay. I'm just going to kind of put that towards the corner like that. And then I'm going to put some glue on the border here. Okay, so now I'm just going to tighten up my glue here. Grab our book. Okay, so we're going to put this page on first and get some tape in the back. Okay, get that stuck right there. Okay, and then the next one. Okay, and this is going to go on our inside page like that. And then our cover. Let's put some tape on that. And there we go. That is basically our pyramid. And I'm going to create some accessories to go with it. And we'll do a video of, you know, how it works in the preview and all that. But thanks for joining me for the project. I hope you enjoyed making it as much as I do. And we'll be back with more videos. Thanks for watching.